Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today Nama Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 Ota review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Patha Pakalam. Engine type Pathing F8D petrol engine. Engine displacement Pathing 796 cubic centimeters. Fuel type Pathing petrol. Max power output Pathing around 47.33 bhp at 6000 rpm. Emission norm BS6. Max torque 69 Nm at 3500 rpm. No of cylinders 3. Transmission manual and automatic gearbox 5-speed. Drive type FWD paddle shift not available in Alto 800. Curb weight 730 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Patha Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 22.05 kmpl. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Patha Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut. Suspension rear 3-link rigid axle. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type manual. Minimum turning radius 4.6 meters. Tire size Pathing 145/80. R12. Wheel size R12. Tire type Pathing tubeless tires. Next interior dimensions Patha Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 177 liters. Fuel capacity 35 liters. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. Next variants and price tag Patha Pakalam. STD variant Pathing around 2.99 rupees lakh. STD opt variant Pothingana around 3.04 rupees lakh. LXI variant Pothingana around 3.76 rupees lakh. LXI opt variant Pothingana around 3.80 rupees lakh. VXI variant Pothingana around 4.02 rupees lakh. VXI plus variant Pothingana around 4.16 rupees lakh. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.